Morning time. Good morning. Good morning. I wake up early. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I feel fresh and happy. I feel fresh and happy. Breakfast time.
Good morning, my child. Good morning, my child. Breakfast is ready. Breakfast is ready.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I drink milk. I drink milk. Milk is healthy. Milk is healthy. School time. I wear my school bag. I wear my school bag. I go to school. I go to school. I meet my friends. I meet my friends. We say, hello. We say, hello. Classroom time.
Good morning, students. Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning, teacher.
Let's learn English today. Let's learn English today.
I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I love English. I love English. Animals talk. This is a dog. This is a dog. Dog says, woof. Woof. Dog says, woof. Woof. This is a cat. This is a cat. Cat says, meow. Meow. Cat says, meow. Meow. Numbers. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Colors. Red is an apple. Red is an apple. Yellow is the sun. Yellow is the sun. Blue is the sky. Blue is the sky. Green is a tree. Green is a tree. Action time. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Jump up. Jump up. Turn around. Turn around. Sit down. Sit down. Good job. Good job. Night. I eat dinner. I eat dinner. I listen to a story. I listen to a story. I say good night. I say good night. I go to sleep. I go to sleep. Bye bye.